these eyeshadow palettes. You can see how nice and amazing they look, like so bright colors, and you cannot even guess the price of them. Having different swatches of lipstick, and after I was done, I was rubbing all of them, and this lipstick wasn't getting out of my hand. I had to rub it thrice. Now I use Johnson's baby moisturizer. Okay, yeah, I use a baby uh, cream. Hi guys, what's up? My name is Kathy and welcome to my channel. So firstly, I've tried an eyeshadow for the very first time. I don't know how does it look, so please let me know. And I have shimmer all over my face. I messed up a little bit, so please bear with that. So starting with today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys products under rupees 150. All of these products that I'm going to be sharing are most of them are my favorite ones. I've been using them since a long time, and some of them are new which I have added and tried for this video. So I hope you all like it. So let's get started with today's video. So I've divided the products into various categories. One, I have skincare and body care. Other, I have makeup and beauty. The third is hygiene and cleanliness related, and the fourth is miscellaneous, like all the various products I've added in one. So starting off with our first category, that is the skincare one. So the first product that I have here with me is a face sheet mask. So this is the very first time I've ever purchased a face sheet mask. So I was super excited to try this one. This is from the Mirabella Cosmetics Korea. So I got two variants. One was the berry one, which I already used, and this is the tea tree one. So the berry one costed for 99 rupees and this one is for 129 rupees. Now I tried the berry one and I would say that it gives a lot of nourishment and hydration and even the glow to your face, which I really loved in this weather. I am a dry skin type, so my skin tends to get dry more. So really works for me, this sheet mask. So definitely try this out. So the next product that I have with me are face washes. So the first one that I have is from Nivea. It is their Milk Delights face wash in the variant Rose. I have tried two more variants from their Nivea Milk Delights range. One is for dry skin type honey and one is the saffron variant. I particularly love the rose one more. It is for sensitive skin type. I have combination skin type, so dry one didn't suit for my oily T-zone. It made my skin more dry, but this suits me perfectly. And I have a tiny little acne bumps on my face. I don't get after using this. It is very smooth, very creamy, buttery consistency, and it has small particles, pink color, which is the rose particles. So it gives a nice nourishment and texture to my face, which I love, and this retails for 90 rupees only. So the second face wash that we have is from Himalaya. It is their moisturizing aloe vera face wash, and this is particularly for dry skin type only, and this retails for 120 rupees. Now this face wash has aloe vera and cucumber, and when you apply this face wash, it will give such an amazing coolness to your face and instantly, and that is what I love. As it has cucumber, it will give an amazing coolness, and it has aloe vera, will help you give that nourishment and smooth skin. So if you are dry skin type, you can definitely check this out. The next product that we have is a moisturizer. Now I use Johnson's baby moisturizer. Okay, yeah, I use a baby cream because I don't know which moisturizer to start with, and this was perfect and suitable because it is made for sensitive skin type and it is very good for beginners. If you don't know where to start from, try this one out. So this is the Johnson's Baby's Milk Plus Rice Cream and it retails for 80 rupees only. So it has a nice creamy and gel-like consistency mixed. So when you apply it on your skin, it will easily melt in your skin and make it super dry. It won't be sticky at all, which I love. And this is for dry skin type as it is gel based texture. So if you're an oily skin type, there is another variant in this one. It comes in a pink color packaging. You can definitely check that out. So yeah, so the next product that I have is a lip balm. Now I don't have physically that lip balm with me because it is out of stock each and everywhere online. Even in stores I couldn't find it. It is the TS lip balm. It has shea butter and aloe vera in it. I have mentioned it in one of my makeup videos previously, and it is such an amazing lip balm. Like, You will get a lot of lip balms in the range of 150, but this precisely has my heart. I've used all the lip balms we have in the market, and this costs for 150 rupees and it's totally worth it. So I have extremely dry and chapped lips, so even in summer if I don't use a lip balm for like 3 to 4 days, my lips will tend to chip off, so I have to use a lip balm. And this lip balm in winters, if I use this lip balm twice a day, my lips are hydrated the whole day, as it has shea butter in it, so I guess that's the reason it has so much of nourishment. So I would highly recommend, if you are extremely dry lip type like me, you should check that out. It is an amazing product. So that was all for the skincare. Now moving on to the beauty and makeup section. So the first product that I have with me are these two lipsticks. Both of these are from Inside. So the first lipstick is the Inside Color Rich lipstick. This retails for 105 rupees, and I am having the shade with me 11 Cocoa Break Matte. So the packaging is very nice. It looks very premium quality, and when you open it, this is the shade. It's a nice dark chocolate color, but it also has like a tinge of dark maroon maybe, but I extremely love this color. I've been meaning to get my hands on one of these colors. So it gives a nice texture, but this is not a waterproof lipstick, guys. So keep that in mind while purchasing it. But I love the texture. The consistency of the lipstick is also nice. In two swatch, you will have this amazing dark shade. It is pigmented. So if you like this color, you can definitely try it out. And the next lipstick that I have from Insight is their non-transfer lip color. Now this claims to be waterproof, smudge proof, long wear, matte texture and true color, and it lasts for 24 hours. So I have the shade 05 Coca Plum, and this retails for 90 rupees, and this is such an amazing lipstick. I'm wearing this shade right now, as you can see. I love the color. It is very different. It has this bright pink, but it is subtle at the same time. And yes, this is waterproof. It doesn't smudge, as you can see. It doesn't wear off. So it will last you a very long time. I don't know how many hours, but yeah, it will last you quite a few hours, and it is smudge proof. So yeah, if you are someone like me who eats and drinks 24 by 7, so this lipstick is for you. Definitely check this out. It is super inexpensive and super good at the same time. So the next product that I have is the most favorite product out of all the things that I have, and I have been waiting to get my hands on them ever since. It is these eyeshadow palettes. You can see how nice and amazing they look, like so bright colors, and you cannot even guess the price of them. It is just for 140 each, so you get a combo of these two for 277. So I broke it down, and approximately it cost for 140 each, and I got this from Amazon. So these are the Hilary Rode eyeshadow palettes, and you get 16 different colors in both of them, and it comes in a combo pack only. So this has a lot of bright colors, and this has a lot of shimmers, so it is perfect for beginners like me who have never done an eyeshadow before. So it was just for 277, so I thought, let me get my hands on this. Even if I waste and mess up, I won't regret it, because it is so inexpensive. But dude, the eyeshadow doesn't have a lot of fall particles, which is a great thing, and the shimmers are also very good. Like you can see the application. I'm not so good, so please don't judge my skills. And it blends so well. Like literally there were no creases. It was not just stuck in one place. Absolutely love both of them, and I'm just in love. I love colorful things, and just looking at them, it is so colorful, so vibrant. Definitely highly recommend if you want to get your hands on any eyeshadow palette. If you're a beginner, try this one out. So the next product that I have with me is this silicone beauty blender. I got this from a beauty shop, and this retails for 75 rupees only, and this is so good. Like I've used the sponge beauty blenders. They suck in a lot of product, and a lot of product get wasted, but I have seen a lot of people using this, and dude, this doesn't waste any of your product. As you can see, I've used it today also, but there is no product on this one as well. It blends very nicely. You can see my makeup. Although there is one thing I don't like is that it is very difficult to get in the inner corner of your eyes. So I did use my beauty sponge. So after you are done using this, once just dab in using your beauty sponge to set everything up. But yeah, this is an amazing product if you don't want to invest a lot, or if you are a beginner. So all of these products, I'm going to say this 110 times, like for beginners, but yes, I am a beginner too. So yeah, if you are a beginner, definitely try out these products. So these are very inexpensive, and I know how expensive all the products in the market are. So I thought, let me make a video where people can try out products that are not so expensive. So definitely check all of these products out. I'm pretty sure you will love it. So the next product that I have with me are these square cotton pads. These are makeup removing cotton pads, and this comes in 180 pieces, and this retails for 150 rupees only. Now, how much I love this product is, you can see from this, you can see from here only that I've already used one whole packet, and this is the new one. It is that amazing. It is very soft quality. It will easily get your makeup off, and it is in a nice big size, and it comes in 2 layer, which is good. So it is very soft, though thick, and will easily get off your makeup. So the last product from the beauty section is this makeup remover from Garnier. It is their micellar cleansing water, micellar oil infused cleansing water. Now this removes waterproof makeup, and I have been using micellar water ever since I have started applying makeup. It is the best, and they have got their mini version which retails for 100 rupees. So I thought, let me add in to the list. Perfect for removing makeup, removes all your makeup, waterproof, non-waterproof. Even the mascara I'm applying is waterproof. It gets off easily. It is not harsh. You don't have to rub it. So the next product that I have with me is a hair care product. That is the only one product from the hair care range. It is the Livon's Shake and Spray Serum. Now I have mentioned this in my hair care routine as well. Absolutely loving this. I have emptied the whole bottle, I know, but this is a nice shampoo serum mix. So I use this on my second or third day after I washed my hair. In the ends I have super frizzy ends, so I just spray it all over and move my hands, rub my hair through it, and it gives an instant nourishment. All of the frizziness is gone. So this is like an instant shampoo spray, and this retails for 150 rupees only. So having said that, the next category we have is the hygiene, odor and cleanliness, everything together. So the first product that I have with me is this eyebrow razors from Tinkle. It comes in a pack of 3, and this retails for 75 rupees only. So these are very sharp blades, so be careful while using it, but at the same time it removes each and every hair from each and every nook and corner of your face. So right now also I have done my eyebrows by myself today, this morning only, using this eyebrows, and you can see there is no extra hair anywhere. It gets rid of each and every hair. It is not very harsh on your skin. You don't have any acne, but only if you use a pre and post routine of products too. You can't just blame the product itself. So I like to use a moisturizer or aloe vera gel, and then just go in with my eyebrow and do my eyebrows, so I don't have any acne bumps or anything and of that sort. So the next product that I have is this Venus razor. I use this razor for my upper lips and even for my underarms. So this retails for 70 rupees only. Yeah, I shave my upper lips, guys. It is normal, please. So this has a very sharp blade. Again, be very careful. So I like to apply some coconut oil and then apply a soap, gentle soap, and just go in with this razor very light handedly. This will remove each and every hair. Super good, super affordable, and also very sturdy. And the grip is also, like you can see, it is a little bendable. So it will nicely move and glide everywhere. So the next product that we have is this deodorant from Mini. So it is the Tinkle Stones deodorant body spray in the variant Sunset Purple, and this retails for 90 rupees only. Now, so this smell is very subtle. It won't get in your nose. I don't like very strong smells, but it also lasts for a nice couple of hours. So that is good. And this comes in this very small, tiny bottle. So this is absolutely travel friendly, and I'm going to be traveling this weekend, and also I'm going to be shooting the whole trip, so stay tuned for my first ever travel blog. So I wanted a deodorant which would be easy to carry, so I got this one, and I absolutely love the fragrance. So I thought I would share with you all too. So now guys, that was actually it for my under rupees 120 products, because I have three more products but they are slightly out of budget. They are for 180, 190, but they are so amazing, so I thought let me add it. In case you like it, you can definitely buy it. So the first product that we have is from the hygiene category. It is this V Wash Expert Intimate Hygiene. Now I have been using this for over a year or two at this point, and I am the kind of person who is like very cleanliness and hygiene freak. Like I need to feel clean myself. So yeah, if you are someone who needs that hygiene, odor and cleanliness in your vaginal area, you should definitely try this out. And even if you don't, guys, actually you should use any cleanliness product once every day to keep your vaginal area clean from all the bacteria, or else you might end up having some kind of infection over there, which is actually not good. So I like this one personally, so you can try it out too for yourself and notice a huge difference actually. So the next product that I have with me is Palmolive's Body Butter Body Wash. Now I physically don't have the product with me because I ran out of that product a couple of days ago, and I actually threw that away, and I forgot that I had to keep it for filming. But I'll insert a picture here, and even all the links of the products will be mentioned in the description. So in case you want to check that out, you can go there. So continuing, so this body wash is for 190 rupees, and it has shea butter and coconut in it, which gives such amazing nourishment, like such amazing nourishment. I have extremely dry skin type, and even in winters, I use that body wash. I don't need to use a moisturizer on my skin. It is that level of hydrating, nourishing. It has nice fine granules in it, which helps you get rid of dead skin cells too, and it has such amazing fragrance. And it just retails for 190 rupees. Body washes are usually very expensive, but this one is super inexpensive, so you can definitely check it out. Okay, so apologies for the sudden change of colors, but my camera battery ran out and then it started raining, and now it's sunset, so I am using the fake lights. So now the last product is this lipstick I have here with me. This says it is by Mary Jo K. I don't know what that is. It is the waterproof lipstick. Now I got this from the Borivali Beauty Shop, from where I got the Insight lipstick. If you enter the beauty shop, and exactly on the right side of the corner there is a counter where you can find this. This is the Mary Jo lipstick. You can ask her in the shade 08. This is such a beautiful red color shade. Like I've been wanting a red color shade for all of my traditional wear since a long time, and as we all know, now the festival season is gonna come, so I thought let me get my hands on this. Actually I wasn't gonna buy this, but I was just having different swatches of lipstick, and after I was done, I was rubbing all of them, and this lipstick wasn't getting out of my hand. I had to rub it thrice, like rub, and then it got out. So I was like, give me this one as well, give me this one. Such an amazing lipstick. It is waterproof. This is a very good dupe for all the Sugar's waterproof lipstick, and even the Maybelline's Super Stay Matte Ink lipstick. Like this retails only for 225 rupees. Those are for 500, 600. This is a perfect dupe. This gives the same effect and application like them. I highly recommend this. This is highly pigmented, okay? It's not like you have to apply it 100 times. Just one swap and you will have a beautiful dark red color lipstick. This can easily last for lot of hours, I can guarantee that. So if you are interested, you can buy this one. So that was it for my today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. I'll link all the products from if I've bought from Beauty Shop. I'll mention it in the list below in the description. If I've brought it online, I'll mention the links. Or if any other store, I'll mention all of the links in my description box in case you are interested to check it out. That was it for today's video. See you in my next video, and a lot of noises, but it's okay. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all next time. Bye.